Hi, Six. Today we're going to complete our topic on drugs. So these are the last two topics for this theme, and then for the next lesson, it'll be a different theme. So for today, we're going to learn about alcohol and then other drugs. So first lesson is about alcohol, which is page 87 to 91 in your textbook. So you can use your textbook if you want. So the lesson objective for this lesson, for the alcohol part, is you're going to write the effects of alcohol on the body and society, and then list parts of the body that can be damaged from alcohol. The steps to success is to learn what is alcohol, learn how it affects the body, and learn how it affects society. So, what is alcohol? Alcohol is a drug found in beer, wine, and spirits. So, like smoking tobacco, drinking alcohol can be addictive. So, here are some examples of alcohol. These are beers. This one is probably a spirit. This one is wine. Maybe iti pun pasti sebenarnya. So, drinks that contain alcohol are called alcoholic drinks. So these are alcoholic drinks. Alcohol adalah benda yang di dalam alcoholic drinks ani. So a person who is addicted to alcohol is called an alcoholic. So orang yang benar-benar addicted untuk meminum alcoholic drinks ani. Drinking too much alcohol can damage the body, and people who drink alcohol can be harmful to their family and society. So here is a person. He's holding onto an alcoholic drink. So we can probably assume that this person could be an alcoholic. Hindi semestinya just because they drink alcohol doesn't mean they're an alcoholic. Bila bis dorang addicted saja, baru tah bis dorang boleh kena panggil alcoholic. So, the effects of alcohol on the body. When people drink too much alcohol, they cannot control their behavior. So, for an example, orang mabuk, they can't even walk straight. Ya kan mau walk straight pun ujung-ujungnya ya walk kesiring tapulang. So, another effect is they can get sick and may vomit. So, an example there. And then they cannot think clearly. They may act in a way that is unsafe for them and those around them. So like this person, he can't even sit on a chair properly. Hindi control badannya. Maybe ya punya badan hindi dapat control, tapi ya punya mind pun prosesnya to slow down to. Okay. So another effect of alcohol on the body is that alcohol can pass from a mother to her unborn baby. The alcohol can damage the baby's body and brain. So there's a picture of a baby. So it can damage the brain processes. It may macam affect how big ya punya hands ani and the feet. So that would affect them their whole life lah to. This is why in other countries where alcohol is allowed to be drunk, when a mother is pregnant, they are told not to drink alcohol. So drinking too much alcohol can cause damage to many different parts of the body, such as the brain, the skin, the heart, the liver, the stomach, the intestines. So most of these are part of the digestive system, so the stomach, liver, intestines. Tapi it can also affect the heart, the brain, and the skin. That's why bila kamulit kadang-kadang orang yang minum alcohol ani, hindi berapa lawa bis dorang punya skin because they drink too much of it. So, the effects of alcohol to society. So tadi was the effects of alcohol to the body. So arah badan or seorang itu saja. Tapi ani macam arah masyarakat juga. So alcohol affects the brain and slows down a person's reactions. So we saw that tadi, the person moving to the side, the person who can't even sit on a stool. So the problem with this is it can cause car accidents. So this is an example of of an accident that happened because of someone drinking and driving. So there are very strict laws in other countries where drinking alcohol is allowed, that they are not allowed to drink if they've drunk alcohol. Uh, Even if bistorang inda dalam accident, if kana tangkap, bistorang minum sebelum bistorang memandu ato, bistorang boleh kena denda. So in Brunei, this doesn't happen, inshallah, because we forbid alcohol altogether in anywhere in Brunei. So some people who are addicted to alcohol spend more money than they can afford on alcoholic drinks. They may even turn to crime to buy alcohol. So here's an example. This person, he looks very homeless. Tapi what sign does he put there? He says need money for beer. It's not really a wise choice, especially for this person. He should think about needing that money for something else, like his health, his education, his food. Tapi instead he says they need money for beer. So this is an example of people being too addicted to alcohol, so an alcoholic line. And then there are examples of people who drink too much alcohol can become violent. They can hurt their family and those around them. So this is an example of someone who's been drinking, and you can see someone over there being scared. So in other countries, alcohol has been linked to domestic violence, just because people have been drinking alcohol and they cannot think properly. So, alcohol and Islamic law. So, if you're a Muslim, you should know this, that under Islamic law, it is forbidden to drink alcohol. So, kami sebagai Muslim, hindi dibenarkan untuk meminum arak. Muslims must never drink alcohol because all alcoholic drinks are forbidden, haram, according to the Quran. So, Quran pun cakap jangan minum arak kani. Because we're a Muslim state, Brunei has made it illegal to buy or sell alcohol because of the problem it can cause in society. So kami tidak dibenarkan untuk menjual atau membeli alcohol di Brunei Darussalam. That's why if kamu arah kadai-kadai, you won't see anyone selling alcohol. Okay, so that's the first part of this lesson. Go to part 2. It's linked in the group as usual.